Welcome to our channel. Today we how to manage lead generation with Salesforce, detailed guide step by step clearly. To manage lead generation with Salesforce effectively, start by logging into your Salesforce account. Navigate to the Sales tab on the main dashboard. From there, locate the Leads option in the sidebar menu. Click on Leads to access the Leads interface. To create a new lead, click the New button at the top right corner. Fill out the required fields such as lead name, company name, and email address. Optional fields can enhance the lead's profile, so consider filling them out as well. Once you have completed the form, click Save to record the new lead. To manage existing leads, return to the Leads tab. Use the search bar to find specific leads by entering their names or companies. Once a lead appears, click on their name to view detailed information. You can update lead details by selecting the Edit button on the Leads page. After making any adjustments, remember to click Save again. For effective lead tracking, utilize Salesforce's lead status options such as Open, Contacted, or Qualified. Periodically, to further streamline processes, implement lead assignment rules in Salesforce's settings. This allows you to automatically assign new leads to specific team members based on predetermined criteria. Consider integrating third-party applications through Salesforce's AppExchange to enhance lead generation capabilities. Regularly analyze your lead's performance through reports generated in Salesforce. Access reports by clicking on the Reports tab and selecting relevant lead metrics. Evaluate conversion rates and engagement to refine your lead generation strategy continuously. Make use of Salesforce's marketing automation tools to nurture leads through personalized campaigns. Create targeted email campaigns using Salesforce's email templates for effective outreach. Use tracking analytics to monitor the performance of your lead generation efforts. Stay organized by utilizing Salesforce's dashboard to have a visual representation of lead status and performance metrics. Finally, continuously train your team on Salesforce updates to improve lead management processes. With consistent use and optimization of these tools, your lead generation efforts will become more efficient. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.